What happens after you quit smoking? If you're a smoker, it may seem like the damage has been done and it isn't worth quitting, but that's simply not true. Your body will begin to heal itself shortly after you quit, and the sooner you give up smoking, the greater the benefit is to your health. Smoking cessation can also carry lifestyle benefits, like improved sense of taste and smell. No more scent of cigarette smoke on your hair, breath, and clothing. More money in your budget. Less yellowing in your teeth and fingernails. Fewer instances of feeling out of breath during light activities. Timeline after you stop smoking. 24 hours after quitting. If you are a heavy smoker, your body will immediately realize when the chain smoking cycle is broken. This is because tobacco smoke causes the reactive constriction of blood vessels in the body. When the smoke is removed, the constriction will start to cease, resulting in lower blood pressure, reduced pulse rate, and a body temperature that's returning to normal. After 8 hours of living smoke-free, the carbon monoxide levels in your blood will also drop, and blood oxygen levels will start to normalize, meaning that more oxygen is reaching your cells and tissues. 72 hours after quitting. Within 48 hours, your taste and smell receptors will start to heal, shifting from their abnormally flattened state to a more normal, rounded configuration. Damaged nerve cells will also self-repair as the insulating membrane, called myelin, gradually rebuilds itself around exposed nerve endings. Nicotine withdrawal symptoms are typically at their worst during the first 72 hours of quitting, and gradually subside from there. 2 weeks after quitting. After the first 72 hours, your peak withdrawal symptoms will start to decrease, although the cigarette cravings can still persist. In the days and weeks that follow, you should start breathing easier, your circulation will improve, and your cravings should ease. 9 months after quitting. Many ex-smokers feel a sudden letdown once they get beyond the 3-month mark. Physical improvements taper off, while cigarette cravings persist, albeit at a lesser rate. This doesn't mean that your health isn't continuing to improve. In fact, the tiny, finger-like projections in your respiratory tract, called cilia, will have regrown during the first 6 to 9 months, making it easier to clear debris and mucus from your lungs. While this may actually increase coughing, it is more of a sign that your lungs are getting stronger and trying to heal themselves. As a result, you should start feeling more energized and be able to perform daily activities with less shortness of breath and fatigue. 1 year after quitting. By the end of year 1, your risk of heart attack and stroke drops by about half, and people with COPD may continue to see some improvements to their lung function. The improvements you see with COPD will depend on the severity of your condition. Those with mild to moderate COPD may see more positive changes, while people with severe COPD could experience a leveling off of their earlier gains or even a slight reversal. If this happens, it doesn't mean that you're going backward, but rather that you need ongoing COPD treatment to further slow the progression of the disease. So to give a quick summary of what happens when you quit smoking. 24 hours, all traces of carbon monoxide have left the body. You have to cough a lot. The lungs do a cleaning action by working out the dirt in your lungs. Your blood pressure and the risk of a heart attack decrease. 48 hours, all nicotine is out of the body. Improved taste and smell. 72 hours, breathing is easier and you have more energy. 5 years, the risk of developing oral cavity or esophageal cancer is halved and the decline in lung function of a COPD, lung disease, patient is comparable to that of a never smoker. 10 to 15 years, the risk of lung cancer is now halved compared to people who have continued to smoke. Greater than 15 years, lung cancer risk continues to fall. Only positive things can come of this. Also, you save a lot of money. If you liked this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more health tips and information.